Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen preparing dinner after a long day at work? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. This revolutionary appliance unlocks the ability to cook a complete, multi-textured meal in as little as 15 minutes, all in one pot. Whether you're cooking for yourself or feeding a family of 4, the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker has you covered. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is a game changer for busy cooks everywhere. Efficiency at its finest, gone are the days of juggling multiple pots and pans to create a meal. With the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker, you can create delicious, restaurant-quality meals with just one touch. The Speedi Meals function allows you to choose your base, vegetables, and protein to create an entire meal in as little as 15 minutes, perfect for busy weeknights or hectic mornings. Versatile cooking options. With 12-in-1 functionality, the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker offers versatility like never before. From steam and crisp to bake, roast, and air fry, this appliance does it all. Whether you're in the mood for a quick stir-fry, a crispy batch of fries, or a tender roast, the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker can handle it with ease. Healthy and delicious. With the air fry function, you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Plus, the non-stick pot and crisper tray are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy meals and hello to delicious, guilt-free cooking. Convenience at your fingertips. Ninja's Speedi Meal Builder unlocks thousands of customizable recipes with ingredients that are likely already in your fridge or pantry. Plus, the Smart Switch functionality allows you to easily switch between air fry mode and rapid cooker mode, giving you endless possibilities for mealtime. In conclusion, the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is a game changer for busy cooks everywhere. With its innovative rapid cooking system and 12-in-1 functionality, this appliance offers unparalleled convenience and versatility in the kitchen. From one-pot meals in just 15 minutes to healthy and delicious air-fried favorites, the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker does it all. Plus, with its Smart Switch functionality and thousands of customizable recipes, mealtime has never been easier or more enjoyable. Say goodbye to long hours spent in the kitchen and hello to quick, delicious meals with the Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer is a game changer for busy cooks everywhere. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.